As an attorney, I am often talking to organizers about the limitations of the law, and I think that's a really important conversation to always be having. I know that the law can exert a lot of power over folks' lives, and also it is so not powerful for supporting the causes of tenants. I often describe the law as a tool for moving resources and moving resources only. It's not a tool for justice. It's rarely a tool for justice for the folks that are most marginalized, folks who are undocumented, Black folks, anybody who is not a wealthy, white, male landowner from 1756. Those are the folks that most laws were written for. And we try to pass better laws. We try to pass better policies that can cabin the foundational laws of this nation. But these tools are very imperfect for that purpose. And the thing that will actually shift the balance of power, shift the balance of resources, and move resources, redistribute resources into communities that have been historically marginalized and excluded, it's going to happen through organizing. And so what I try to offer when I bring the legal tools, I always want to make it in support of a legal strategy, in support of a group of people coming together and knocking on each other's doors and talking to each other, and to bring that tool in the least disruptive way possible so that people can keep building power, because the law's never going to do that.